This is the famous Ponte Delle Catene. It's wonderful. It's unique in the planet. There is a similar copycat in Budapest, and after that there is the Brooklyn Bridge. Is absolutely incredible. Is an engineering marvelous. Only this bridge deserve a visit to Banja. Only this. There are plenty of things like this, as you know, in Banja. Sorry for the lights, but it's raining. It's raining today. So, there, I like to swim before the sunrise when I have no time to go in the other place. Here near my house, so before the sunrise, I like to swim under the current there. There is a nice current. So it's very, very useful. It's really beautiful. The autumn in Banja Luka and in Tuscany in general deserve a visit. So visit Lucca and please visit Banja Luka. At the night there is a nice illumination, and now it's raining. It's interesting under the bridge. Another time that it's not raining, we go downside. Okay, is an engineering incredible achievement by Lorenzo Mottolini. I think on YouTube there are some videos of me swimming under the current here. I like that. So now it's raining. It's a beautiful, not sunny, but it's a beautiful raining day. Now it rains too much. See you later.